enjoying this so much.
Okay.
So guys, the next time you see Daddy, he's gonna have one less tooth. But the dentist is gonna take really good care of him. Mommy's gonna drive because he's gonna be feeling just fine with all of his medicine.
You'll wake up tomorrow.
He's up, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The tooth fairy's gonna be you.
The tooth fairy?
Yeah.
It's gonna be my tooth fairy.
You guys can be Daddy's tooth fairy.
You'll wake up tomorrow morning with $5.
Listen, I want all of you to leave $100 under my pillow tonight.
Lincoln. He's like, that was a good one, Dad.
I will leave you $1 trillion.
$1 trillion? That's
Wow.
the lottery. I'll take it.
All right, you guys say bye to Daddy.
Alright guys, I love you all.
Linky.
If I don't make it through this alive, I want you to know that. I'm just
Steven,
joking.
stop.
I got some coffee.
You can take my coffee.
Yeah.
Linky, bye, buddy. Give me a hug.
Bye.
Give me a hug. Bye.
Is
Give me a hug.
it back to
That's so nice. Daddy's in good hands. We have a good dentist. Ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. All right, they just put a big fat needle in my mouth and are trying to numb me up. Kind of hurt a little bit. It was probably the biggest needle I've ever seen in my life, but no big deal. So they're gonna come back in here in a second and try to remove the tooth, I guess. So pray for me.
How are you feeling?
It was weird.
Your mouth is like numb.
Yeah, it's sort of numb,
Yeah.
I've never experienced a sensation like that. Where they just, you hear the...
Yeah. Yeah.
crazy.
Congratulations.
I did have them give me the tooth though, so I could do that.
Oh my gosh, look, I'm not gonna show it. It's done. Okay guys, so Steven just got his tooth extracted, which a lot of you guys were praying over, and thank you so much for that. I think you're probably gonna be feeling a lot better in the future.
That'd be nice.
Your mouth is like drooping on one side.
It's drooping? I mean, I am crunching down on a...
Yeah, no, I know how it is.
I have to
had
have
a
gauze on my mouth for like 30 minutes, so they said don't mess with the gauze, because you might get dry socket, and that'll be worse. So I don't want that.
Right, yeah. But I'm just glad that is over. I'm feeling better. Lincoln's doing better. Steven's had his tooth extracted now, and hopefully we can move forward and all of us actually be healthy and well and all of that. We're going to go home and rest, but we've got a few projects planned today. I don't know if we'll get around to them, just depending on how you feel, but probably try to take it easy today.
We're definitely going to go eat ice cream, because that's all I can eat is like soft foods. And we've been trying to go try this place here in town called Hattie Jane's. It's
I can't believe we're vlogging right now with... Sorry, it's hilarious. We do want to go get some ice cream. There is a place in town. Do you want me to speak for you?
Sure.
I don't know if you would
I told the kids, I was like, I'll take you guys, because they all helped really with unloading the pod in the truck.
Yeah.
And I was like, I will take you guys to go get ice cream if y'all will help. And they were like, yeah.
Yeah.
But then Amanda got sick, and so then
and
we
Lincoln
couldn't really do
wasn't
it.
doing
And
well.
Lincoln wasn't doing it. So we haven't gone yet, but like it's supposed to be really, really good. So
yeah, so we might just go get some ice cream to kind of celebrate like the ending of this whole crazy health scare for all of us and all of that. But ice cream sounds really good, and
it does sound good.
all the kids are always up for ice cream. So
it's got all these adventurous flavors. Ooh, that really kind of hurt for a second.
Maybe you shouldn't.
Well, what they said is like this, on average, the numbness wears off in like 3 hours. But for some people it's an hour, and I'm like, well, I'm a big old boy, so maybe like 1 hour. So
we'll go home and rest now and check on the kids. But I'm glad that this is all done.
Same. They said I could do the laughing gas, but I didn't do it because
You didn't do the laughing gas?
I just assumed it wouldn't work on me, and I laugh enough anyway.
And so
I look like a villain in a really bad action movie.
You kind of sound like it. Your voice is so different because you're not able to.
Well, because
open
I'm
your mouth.
trying to push these two. So I'm just talking out of one side.
Yeah. Okay, let's go
I
home.
could be a Bond villain. Welcome, 007.
Let's go home. Oh, gentle.
How do you feel, Dad?
I have felt better.
Daddy needs some medicine. His stuff's starting to wear off. It's Sheriff Reese. That actually matches your sweater perfectly. So cute.
Wear this to coffee.
There you go.
Just do it.
Are you going to the coffee shop?
I am. I'm meeting someone there.
Oh, that's right.
Me and Penny are gonna study there.
Little play date. Oh, y'all guys are going to go study?
Yeah.
Wow, girls, this is going to be fun. Fun little coffee shop date. He's even showing the kids his tooth.
The boys think
It's a little trophy. Yeah, the boys won't be so grossed out. It's really a big tooth, actually.
I was like, can I see the tooth? And they're like, yeah. And I was like, and I showed it to him, I was like, can I have it?
Oh my gosh.
And they're like,
two.
yeah, I think I actually have like a box you can put it in, just have it.
Yeah, like a baby box, a baby tooth box.
I'm keeping it, I'm gonna probably gold plate it.
Whatever. Oh my gosh. The girls are like, gross, Dad.
You guys wanna see something really cool?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, that's cute.
That's the dude.
What?
Crazy.
Cute.
Isn't that crazy?
It's a big old
Let me
tooth,
see,
huh?
let me see.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Let me see.
He's so gentle. Come here, Lily.
Can't open it up. I see the hole.
You see the hole?
Crazy, huh?
That's the hole.
That's
Daddy's gonna feel a lot better now, huh?
One time my tooth, one of my teeth came out one time.
That's true. One of your teeth came out.
You guys saw that video, right?
You guys did see the video.
You shot your teeth out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You tied it to a string and shot it out with a Nerf gun.
Yeah.
They did. They tied my tooth to a Nerf gun and they shot the Nerf gun.
Did you guys make some pictures for Daddy?
Yes.
You wanna show him? That's so nice.
Let's see it.
Our little artists.
Oh my gosh.
Lava falls.
Oh.
That looks like Yosemite
Lava
with
falls.
a lava waterfall.
And then there's a head
That looks like
bunny.
El Capitan right there.
There's a
That's-
head bunny in there. And then
Oh, that's
there's
gross.
a rope coming down.
Wow.
And then there's some hills, and then I added some detail to the mountains.
It's a nice detail. I like that detail.
You know how Ethan likes to add that detail.
Liam's
Whoa.
volcano.
This is Pompeii. Oh my god.
Pompeii. Wow, Liam, that's really cool.
Liam, that's amazing. Look at that. They're all
Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We talked about wanting to visit Pompeii sometime, huh? When we go to Italy.
I love how these are detailed.
Yeah, it kind of looks like Chips Ahoy cookies.
It would have been much better if that is what had come out of the volcano. It's
Pompeii's
just,
like, run! Wait, should we?
it's
That's Chips
cookies,
Ahoy.
yeah.
You'll never guess
Oh,
who
who is that guy?
it is.
The one that
It's Ethan, of course.
Yes, of course me.
It's of course you, yeah.
Of course.
The movie. This is the movies. What is that?
That's the world market.
That's the world.
The world market.
Cool, world
And
market.
the world market.
Wow.
Matter. These are the tallest, skinniest world market in these ours.
Wow. Very cool, Ethan.
Yellow, orange, and blue. So, Ethan
Oh, wow.
So
colors.
good.
So I made
It's
green.
the fish at
That's
sunset.
so
in the
nice,
ocean.
Yeah.
Liam.
The
And
fish
then
in the
there's
ocean
a
at
whole bunch
sunset.
of Dories.
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 Yeah. A whole bunch of Nemos, yeah.
A whole bunch of Nemo.
You guys did a great job cheering up Daddy, huh?
Yeah.
This is such a good idea.
Still more.
Still more. Is that funny, Lincoln?
You coming closer to me? Oh, okay. Okay.
You squeeze it in.
Oh, thank you so much.
See, I like to give hugs to help Daddy feel better.
Yeah, you want to see him?
There's a-
Yeah.
He's like, they're for
That's
you.
your stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Got some.
That's like a red and green. It's like Christmas. It's like battling
Christmas
sabers.
Jedis. Wow.
Christmas
Is
Jedi.
that funny, Lincoln? Wow, you guys have some moves.
No, with one hand, even while not looking.
One hand and not
Not
looking.
Yeah.
You're such a good Jedi.
Be careful.
Use the Force.
Whoa. Lincoln's like, I love seeing them like hitting those toys.
You want to fight? Yeah.
Wow. Watch out for the TV.
Yeah, look at
Watch out
There you
for that
go.
TV.
Whoa.
Buy a new one that's much bigger and nicer.
Yeah.
Be careful.
We don't need to break the TV in order to get another one.
Yeah.
Can you tell somebody wants a new TV?
I won't break the
else
TV.
No TV breaking, okay?
But for real, guys.
Yeah.
Good job,
Thank goodness.
Linky.
We don't call him Bam Bam for no reason.
Right.
He's Baby Yoda.
Yeah, Baby Yoda.
We need to look at his Baby
Good
Yoda hat.
job. Good job, Linky. Whoa. Mommy's getting a little nervous over here.
I'm like,
Please don't
what's
hit me in the
gonna-
face.
What is he gonna do?
Yeah, he's like winding up.
He's gonna throw it.
Whoa.
He's gonna throw that.
Whoa.
Careful.
I'm so scared.
The girls are going to a coffee shop to study. Y'all guys have fun. Love you guys.
Have a nice day.
Be safe. Be responsible. Oh, Linky. Look. He's like, but they're gone. They'll be back soon. Don't worry. I know. Do you want to wave goodbye? Let's go wave goodbye. Here. We can sit down right here and wave goodbye. We'll see them in a little bit. Lincoln. There they go. Say bye-bye. We'll see y'all later.
They grew up so fast.
Oh, did you see that? He tried to kick it. Lincoln, we saw that, buddy. Good job. He's trying to kick it. Ah, good job. You kicked it.
Get it.
You're trying. Good job, Lincoln. Yeah. Good job, buddy. That's so good. Can you kick it some more? Oh.
Now you can just learn how to do that.
Yeah, Jude's gonna show you all sorts of tricks, huh? Good job. He's like so proud. You got it, buddy. So we noticed some weeds popping up, so the boys are helping me pull some of these out of the ground so we can keep this looking nice. I think that it got really, really cold one of these nights, and so some of the plants here are looking like they maybe are not gonna make it. I'm not sure if these are not supposed to be winter plants, but they're looking a little sad. We don't want them to die, huh? But we can pull these weeds out and make it look nice and pretty again. Here's some really big weeds right here. You gotta take these out.
Okay, so there's one
Pull
type.
them by the roots, guys. There we go.
One type of weed.
Look at that.
I think it might be this type because you know Piggy's old house how she had that big tree back. Yeah, that.
That's the kind of weed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all guys have experience pulling these weeds, huh?
No, these are so tiny. How to get that big?
They grow really fast, don't they? One day they're a little sprout, the next day they're a big old plant. Hi, Lincoln. Do you want to help us pull some weeds? That's not the weed. Let me show you how to pull weeds, buddy. He's like, I see something green. Isn't that what I'm supposed to pull? There you go. You can be the director, Lincoln.
Yeah.
You can point out every time you see a weed. Say, hey, there's one over here. Do you see some? Yes. Oh, you found some mulch. He likes the mulch. Yeah, he does.
Ready, set.
It's working. Any excuse to use the leaf blower.
Ready? How you do it?
Looks like it's a rocket launcher. Is that funny, Lincoln? That's so silly. That's so silly, huh? Whoa! Watch out! So this guy just woke up from a nap, which is awesome because he really, really needed it, and you never take naps, so.
I know.
He just woke up from a nap too, huh? Did you have a good nap? And some snackies now? He's feeling good, guys. So we're gonna go grab some ice cream in just a minute because there's a really cute little ice cream shop that we've been eyeing for a while.
For like
And
$5.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do that in just a minute, and that's like one of the things that you can actually.
I can have ice cream.
Yeah, cold something. You gonna say bye? So we're so excited.
Barrel.
Whoa.
Barrel.
Oh, a toxic barrel.
Toxic
Wow.
barrel.
That's pretty cool. The difference between boys and girls, the girls are like, look at this beautiful dress. And he's like, I've got a toxic
barrel.
That's so funny. Oh, anyways, guys, so we've just been really trying to take it easy. I'm glad that Steven was able to rest some, and hopefully we're all feeling so much better here in this next week, you know, moving forward. Hopefully it's all behind us and we can all just kind of be healthy and getting the house in order. We're wanting to do like some room reveals and like a decorated house tour kind of thing, but we needed to get better first, and so that was obviously the priority. So I'm so glad that we're all feeling better now. But today is actually election day, and so yes, I know, you're so excited. I know that there's so many like, just emotions and feelings. A lot of people are feeling very anxious and worried about the election results. And yes, Lincoln. We just wanted to say, guys, that no matter the results, no matter how the outcome is, it's going to be okay, and God is still in control, and we place all of our trust and hope in Him, and so we know that regardless of who wins, it's going to be okay, and that we can just trust in Him. And so we hope you guys are able to know that as well, and to be able to just experience that trust and that peace that comes with trusting God. So anyways, so we're gonna go grab some ice cream now and round out this day the right way. Yes, Lincoln. Bye. In case you're worried that Lincoln is no longer saying bye, he's still saying bye. He's definitely feeling good now.
And guys, we're really excited. This next video on Saturday is going to be really fun. We're doing Friendsgiving with some special guests. You're not going to want to miss that.
Another fun
it's
collab.
Be a lot of fun.
Yes. And anyways, guys, we love you so much, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
For your name's sake, you